Here's how you can enable cross-posting between Facebook and Instagram. So, to begin with, open up your Facebook app onto your device. Make sure that the Facebook app is completely up to date and that you're also connected to a stable internet. Now, to begin with, simply tap onto the menu from the very top left-hand side corner of your screen. Over here, you want to make sure to go ahead and look for Settings and Privacy. Underneath, you could find Settings. Go to Settings section. Now that the Facebook has updated the interface, you might find these something different. So just go to Account Center, and underneath you could find See More in Account Center. So after you've gone to the Account Center section, you could find Profile and Personal Details. Tap onto it. Now what you want to do is, as you could see that my different accounts are logged in or already cross-posting. So what I need to do is just go to Add Account. Then you want to make sure to go ahead and either continue with the existing account or maybe find a different account. You could go to Continue and then select Add Instagram Account. After which you will then be taken to a web page where you have to log into your Instagram account. So simply go ahead and type in your credentials. Now you want to go ahead and type in your credential or the password as well. Select Login. And you could go ahead and confirm. So select the confirm button. And you could go ahead and see that this account has already been added. But in your case, this will be that you've continued or you've started to link your account. And this way you'll be able to enable cross-posting between Facebook and Instagram. So whenever you post on Facebook, that's also going to be posted on Instagram at the same time simultaneously. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.